Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to alphabetize. To create alphabetize, we need to use the table tools. You can go to insert and I will create this one column. You can set the names like into John, Ananda, and the next Michael, and the last I will set into Ford. We can sort these tables and then you can go to table layout. You can click these sort tools. You can change for sort by and I will set into column 1 and don't forget to set into a settings and type into text. Click OK. It will be automatically alphabetize the selected text. Now you can also set for this table's color, like, or you can choose the no border like this. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to alphabetize. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.